Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sweet tea in Roblox. First, find the designated sweet tea stand or kitchen within your game. Next, you'll need to collect all the required ingredients, which typically include water, tea bags, and sugar. Before you begin, always check that you have sufficient in-game currency or resources to purchase or access these items. This ensures a smooth and successful tea-making process from the start. Now, let's brew the tea base. Begin by adding water to a pot and bringing it to a full, rolling boil. Once boiling, carefully place 2 to 3 tea bags into the hot water. Allow them to steep for approximately 3 minutes to extract the flavor. After the tea has reached your preferred strength, gently remove the tea bags from the pot. This step is crucial for a rich and flavorful foundation. Next, it's time to sweeten your tea. Carefully pour 1 cup of sugar directly into the hot, freshly brewed tea. Stir the mixture continuously until all the sugar has completely dissolved, ensuring an even sweetness throughout. To cool down your sweet tea, add 3 to 4 cups of cold water. This step helps bring the tea to a refreshing temperature, ready for the final touches. Finally, your sweet tea is ready to be served. Carefully pour the delicious sweet tea into a pitcher for sharing or directly into individual serving cups. For an extra refreshing experience, add several ice cubes to each glass. You can also offer optional garnishes, such as thin lemon slices or a sprig of fresh mint leaves, to enhance the flavor and presentation. Enjoy your perfectly made sweet tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.